Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, I believe in love at first sight.
Does your boss appreciate your hard work?
Yes, my boss appreciates my efforts.
Do they celebrate festivals with their family?
Yes, they celebrate every festival with their family.
Does your phone battery last all day?
No, it needs charging by afternoon.
Do you enjoy exploring new places?
Yes, I love exploring new destinations.
Does he bring lunch from home every day?
Yes, he always brings homemade lunch.
Do the kids behave well in class?
Yes, they behave wonderfully.
Does she smile when she feels nervous?
Yes, she smiles when she's nervous.
Do you save money for the future?
Yes, I save a portion of my income.
Does he forget important dates?
No, he remembers every important date.
Do they watch science documentaries?
Yes, they watch them every weekend.
Does she volunteer at a local shelter?
Yes, she volunteers twice a month.
Do you enjoy singing in the shower?
Yes, I sing in the shower every day.
Does he help strangers in need?
Yes, he is always willing to help.
Do your friends organize surprise parties?
Yes, they organize amazing surprise parties.
Does the company hire fresh graduates?
Yes, they hire fresh graduates every year.
Do you finish your work before deadlines?
Yes, I always complete it early.
Does she keep secrets well?
Yes, she is very trustworthy.
Do you text your friends every day?
No, I text them occasionally.
Does he listen to podcasts during commutes?
Yes, he listens to podcasts every morning.
Do they organize outdoor events for employees?
Yes, they organize outdoor events annually.
Does she plan her day meticulously?
Yes, she plans every detail carefully.
Do you dance when no one is watching?
Yes, I dance like nobody's watching.
Does he forget his umbrella often?
No, he never forgets his umbrella.
Do the teachers inspire the students?
Yes, they inspire them every day.
Does the bus arrive on time during the winter?
No, it often gets delayed in winter.
Do you learn something new every week?
Yes, I try to learn a new skill weekly.
Does she wear traditional clothes on special occasions?
Yes, she wears beautiful traditional outfits.
Do they take their pets to the park?
Yes, they take their pets every evening.
Does your neighbor play loud music at night?
No, they are very considerate.
Do you believe in miracles?
Yes, I believe in miracles.
Does she work late on Fridays?
No, she leaves work early on Fridays.
Do you visit historical monuments?
Yes, I enjoy visiting historical places.
Does he prefer tea over coffee?
Yes, he prefers tea.
Do they paint their house every year?
No, they paint it every 3 years.
Does your best friend support your dreams?
Yes, my best friend always supports me.
Do you meditate to relieve stress?
Yes, I meditate daily.
Does the teacher explain concepts clearly?
Yes, the teacher explains everything well.
Do your colleagues share their snacks?
Yes, they often share snacks at work.
Does he exercise every morning?
Yes, he exercises daily without fail.
Do the children play video games after school?
Yes, they play for an hour.
Does she wear glasses for reading?
Yes, she wears glasses while reading.
Do you set goals for the new year?
Yes, I set goals every year.
Does he practice yoga regularly?
Yes, he practices yoga every evening.
Do the students ask insightful questions in class?
Yes, they often ask brilliant questions.
Does she organize her wardrobe neatly?
Yes, she keeps everything perfectly organized.
Do you bake cookies during holidays?
Yes, I bake cookies every Christmas.
Does he enjoy solving puzzles?
Yes, he loves solving complex puzzles.
Do your parents watch the news every day?
Yes, they watch it every evening.
Does the cat sleep on your bed?
Yes, it sleeps on my bed every night.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early every day.
Does she go to school on time?
Yes, she always goes to school on time.
Do they play football in the evening?
No, they do not play football in the evening.
Does he read the newspaper daily?
Yes, he reads the newspaper daily.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Does she cook breakfast every day?
No, she does not cook breakfast every day.
Do we need to finish this work by noon?
Yes, we need to finish it by noon.
Does it rain often in this area?
Yes, it rains often in this area.
Do you visit your grandparents on weekends?
No, I do not visit them every weekend.
Does your brother drive to work?
Yes, he drives to work every day.
Do they speak English fluently?
Yes, they speak English fluently.
Does she sing beautifully?
Yes, she sings beautifully.
Do you go to the gym regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
Does he participate in the meetings?
No, he does not participate in the meetings.
Do your friends enjoy hiking?
Yes, my friends enjoy hiking a lot.
Does she clean her room every morning?
No, she does not clean her room every morning.
Do you travel by train often?
No, I rarely travel by train.
Does he like spicy food?
Yes, he loves spicy food.
Do we need a reservation for this restaurant?
Yes, we need a reservation.
Does the dog bark at strangers?
Yes, the dog always barks at strangers.
Do you write emails every day?
Yes, I write emails daily.
Does she take care of the plants?
Yes, she takes great care of the plants.
Do they organize events regularly?
Yes, they organize events every month.
Does he work from home on Fridays?
No, he goes to the office on Fridays.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I do not play any musical instruments.
Does she enjoy reading novels?
Yes, she enjoys reading novels.
Do we follow the same rules every time?
Yes, we follow the same rules every time.
Does he help his parents with chores?
Yes, he helps them whenever he can.
Do they attend church on Sundays?
Yes, they attend church every Sunday.
Does the train arrive on time?
Yes, the train usually arrives on time.
Do you shop online often?
Yes, I shop online frequently.
Does she watch television in the evening?
No, she prefers reading instead.
Do they learn something new every day?
Yes, they try to learn something new every day.
Does he write poetry?
Yes, he writes beautiful poetry.
Do you take your dog for a walk?
Yes, I take my dog for a walk every morning.
Does she listen to classical music?
Yes, she loves classical music.
Do they enjoy watching movies?
Yes, they enjoy watching movies together.
Does he teach math to his neighbors?
No, he does not teach them math.
Do you visit the library often?
No, I rarely visit the library.
Does she learn new languages?
Yes, she enjoys learning new languages.
Do they prepare for exams in advance?
Yes, they prepare weeks before exams.
Does he collect stamps as a hobby?
Yes, he has an amazing stamp collection.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking a lot.
Does she work as a doctor?
Yes, she works as a pediatrician.
Do they own a house in the countryside?
No, they live in the city.
Does he visit museums on weekends?
Yes, he visits museums frequently.
Do you keep a diary?
Yes, I write in my diary every night.
Does she take online courses?
Yes, she takes several online courses.
Do they follow a healthy diet?
Yes, they follow a balanced diet.
Does he participate in sports activities?
Yes, he plays soccer every weekend.